Hey guys, we're back for another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Inspect Element. So right now let's get into the video. So first of all you have to highlight the thing you want to change. So say I want to change my subscribe account. I'll have to highlight my subscribe account and right click it. Then I will need to click Inspect, and if it does that, yes, you're going to have to double click on here and say how many subscribers you want. So maybe I want 285,784 subscribers on this channel, and you can see we have that on there. And yeah, that's how you use Inspect Element on someone's channel. And yeah, that's how I'm going to end the video. So yeah, bye.